Welcome to the FeiyuTech Gimbal setup, where you'll learn how to install and balance your camera with an AK200C. Step 1. Piecing it together. Grab your gimbal and mini tripod. Twist it together from the bottom. Lay out your tripod by pulling out the legs and keep the screen facing you. You have 3 motor locks: the tilt axis, the roll axis, and the pan axis. Starting from the first lock on the top, unlock the switch on the right side. Lock again to set it in the second position. Unlock the second switch on the left. Lock in second position. We can leave the third one alone for now. Step 2. Getting the camera ready. You have one long and one small quick release plate. Grabbing your camera, use the guides on the small plate to place it in the proper direction. Screw the plate onto the bottom. Never use a key to screw. Try using a coin instead. Now, with your gimbal, attach the long plate by loosening the left side. Slide in from the front to back, then tighten. Make sure your lens cap is off, mics set up, or any other attachments, and keep the screen facing you. Loosen the knob, mount camera, then tighten the knob. Step 3. Balancing. Always balance before turning on the camera. Start with the first lock. Observe the falling direction. Using the vertical axis knob, move it slightly till the camera stays upright. Next, use the long release plate to move the camera forward or backward until the camera stands. Onto the second lock. Use the horizontal axis knob to slip the gimbal left from right until the camera stays in the middle. Third and final lock. Tilt the gimbal to the side to observe the tilt. Push forward or back to adjust position. If the camera stays in its original spot, your gimbal is set. Make sure the gimbal is unlocked for this next step. Step 4. Power on. Long press the power button to turn on and test out your balanced gimbal. Choose between the pan follow, first person, lock mode, or pan tilt. Use the turning wheel to pan up and down. Or the front dial to pan and tilt. An important tool you can use within a gimbal to sustain balance is by calibrating. Begin with your gimbal on a flat surface. Simply swipe right 2 times, click Settings, Calibration, confirm once completed. You can also double press this knob to reset your gimbal to its first position. Now you know everything you need to know to use a gimbal and get clear motion shots for your next project. Now, before we're done, here is how to properly power off and put away the gimbal. Step 1. Power off. Hold on the power button for a proper shutdown. Step 2. Breaking it down. By reverse setup, remove the camera from the long release plate by loosening the back knob. After locking your 3 access points back to their first positions, unlock your long quick release plate and slide it out. Then twist off your mini tripod. Before placing the device back into the case, make sure to reposition the gears so they are snug. Start with the vertical axis unscrewing and sliding it down. Then, unscrew the horizontal axis and slide that down as well. Last but not least, unscrew the last gear to pull back. Now, your gimbal will fit perfect back in its case. Let's place everything back in its home. Gimbal, mini tripod. Remove your quick release plate for the bottom of your camera and place it in its hole, along with the long quick release plate. That's it! Now you know how to properly set up your FeiyuTech gimbal.